Hi, so I've got this month's LookFantastic beauty box to show you. It's the first beauty box from them in 2018. Let's see what it's like. Now, I have been very good and I haven't checked out spoilers online. That's actually because I've completely forgotten to do so. So I have no idea what this box contains or not even what the theme is. So that's a box. Now this one is blue, periwinkle blue, nonetheless my favorite kind, and pale green, mint green beneath. Colorful combination. Let's see what's inside. Oh good, they are continuing with the LUK magazine. This is January 2018's copy. The beauty edit, marvelous. Should be nice to read this over the weekend, and the box itself nicely sealed. Something smells nice. So they've changed the format of the little product card that is actually a pamphlet, a little beauty magazine. You've got the contents of the box, beauty trends, mini articles, new brand discoveries, no makeup tutorial, skincare tips for oily skin, normal skin and dry skin, and a spoiler for the next month's box. That's Kudali's SOS Serum, which I really like. Right, so, gosh, all the products are topsy-turvy. 6 products inside this box. Right, they're falling all over the place. Let's get on with the unboxing. For those who came in late, LookFantastic is a UK-based beauty box that ships worldwide. Per box, the cost is £15, but if you do get on a longer subscription, the cost comes down, £13. Right, in the order of the product list, Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. I've heard a lot about this. Canuka oil. I've heard of Manuka honey and tamanu oil, but Canuka oil is the first time I'm hearing of it. It's 99% natural, this one. It's an antimicrobial and an antibacterial that will clear congestions, and eucalyptus will calm redness and inflammations. I have acne from hell. So this is going to come in use. Good one. This is, hang on, 7 mils. Should have liked to see a bigger size. Second one is Monuspa Warming Ginger Bath and Body Oil. That sounds lovely. Warming Ginger. Contains ginger, lemongrass and orange. Apply after the shower or in your bath. After shower is good for me. Relaxing. This is, how many mils is this? 40 mils. That's more generous. And then you've got, oh good, you've got Espa. Espa is a really huge skincare brand. I was delighted to see them make an appearance on LookFantastic and was hoping they'd turn up in the beauty box. And yes, they have. This is the Pink Hair and Scalp Mud. A lovely rose paste to condition and nourish your scalp and hair. Contains vitamin C, red clay and apricot kernel oil. Apply on scalp through damp hair, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse well, and condition as usual. For more hydration, leave it all night long. That's what I'm going to do. Good. So this is going to come in use over the weekend for me. What's next? Korres White Tea Fluid Gel Cleanser. 88.3% natural. Works wonders as a makeup remover. Sorry, the Espa is 30 mils. Should be good for one use. I have thick hair. The Korres is 16 mils, not so generous. Should go into my travel bag because cleanser. And I'm glad it's a gel cleanser because gel cleansers are best for acne-prone skin. Erno Laszlo is here. That's nice. 15 mils, very small. It's a toner. I've got the White Marble Essence Lotion for dark spots, dull and hyperpigmented skins. Now I've just got my hands on the White Marble Cleansing Oil from the Harrods Beauty Advent Calendar, which I've linked in the description box below. I'll be using this after that. Nice to use everything. I mean, are you fond of using products from the same range, one after the other, together? I do that as far as possible. Now, last product, ModelCo. This is the one makeup product in this box, ModelCo's 3D Lash Primer. I don't know, I'm not a fan of lash primers because they're too finicky. There's a lot of hassle. First you apply this white thing on your lashes and then you wait, and once that's set, you apply regular mascara on top, and I get these white bits and patches peeking through. Just not a fan of lash primers, so no. So overall, a very mixed box this month. I mean, I enjoy receiving skincare and beauty boxes because, especially if it's skincare that I can use, because I am a skincare junkie too. That said, first box of the year, underwhelming, isn't it? I'm glad to see Espa. I'm glad to see Monuspa. I'm glad to see Erno Laszlo, come to think of that. Balance Me, I wish the size had been more generous. I'm acne prone, remember? So everything is very tiny in this box, you know, very small samples. So overall, I mean, I do hope the rest of this year is actually better for LookFantastic beauty boxes. I did take stock of the situation and sort of do a good think about whether I wanted to continue. I decided to, because this is the only beauty box to which I subscribe right now. And I mean, I like the idea of keeping one beauty box. And also you get a lot of other perks from LookFantastic, you know, discounts on their beautiful Advent calendar linked below. They don't repeat products from the Advent calendar and the beauty boxes. And the Advent calendar is always, always amazing. So, not a bad box. Overall, you know, average. You get better boxes as well through the year, so hopefully it will pick up soon. And the price isn't very high either. I can use the bath oil from Monuspa, I can use the Espa, I can use Balance Me, I can use... Actually, I can use everything except the lash primer, which goes into my giveaway box. So 5 out of 6 products that you can use, not bad. That said, I do wish they'd included either a full-sized item or a makeup product as well. That would have been nice. That would have sort of made this box stand out as the first box of the year. So where to subscribe to LookFantastic, linked below. It's not a bad box, as I said, and you pay 13 quid a month. That's not too bad at all. They ship worldwide. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this short video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button. I'll speak to you in my next video.